What's going on, guys? Hopefully the audio is all crisp and clear. We're back and back in the room. What's going on, guys? Hopefully the audio is yeah, it sounds pretty crisp and clean. So yeah, back in the charts. It's been a few days, been super busy, so getting back at it today. Hopefully you've all had a fruitful day in the charts. I am running a $25,000 top funder challenge on my Twitter, so go ahead, check that out, like, comment, repost it to be entered into the draw. Winner will be announced in a couple of days, probably towards the end of the week, but let's just go ahead, jump on to the S&P here and see what's going on. Let's go to the daily chart and just really see what's printed since we've last since I've last been in the chart. So clearly still in this bullish market. I mean, even looking at the daily candles, we had a little bit of a sell-off day last Thursday. Didn't really do much, and it's just continued to break the highs, put in new highs, new all-time highs. It's just powering through with the momentum there. So still super bullish. The overall underlying market nature super bullish, and that's really shown on the charts here. So moving down, like I said, I think last time we jumped on, it might have been last Sunday. Sorry, on Sunday it was the last time we came on, and I pointed this out. We've had B1s here, breaker structures. We've tried to go lower, but we've failed to do so in every sense, and we've just continued with the B1 and the breaker structure to the upside. Yes, albeit it's breaking closes, but price has still gone and put in a new higher high. It's still gone up and put in a new higher high, and it's kind of sort of messing around a little bit here. I'm still expecting higher prices, but will be interesting to see where it goes from here. I mean, even to be fair, even here at 130, let's just go ahead and see. I mean, jumping down to the 1 minute time frame here, big liquidation, bang on 130, news driven. B1 break structure, nice structural shifts here. B1 no entry here. Break of structure, B1 break of structure, no entry there, no entry. So there's just nothing. Potentially here was quite a nice entry. Bit more of a liquidation, then we get the nice entry candles, and it's kind of taken off a little bit. Even if I'm just looking at this 15-minute structure here. Break lower, goes higher. Break structure, B1, break structure. What's in a high? Yeah, so we're still quite bullish. Yeah, that's going to power through. Print something, yeah, literally like that. So no entry just yet. Anyone entered around here, well done, nice catch, especially just post New York Open. You see that there? I mean, it opens 230, bam, liquidation, big sell-off, and then probably as big recovery, and it's probably heading for the 5,720. Yeah, no real entry here. Clean entry down here on the 1 minute. So well done for those that did take that. Let's take a look on over at NQ, see what's see what's happening. I mean, the daily time frame, probably the same story. Yep, you know, bullish as fuck, super bullish, and similar to S&P Thursday, a little bit of a sell-off, and we're just seeing a recovery there. I mean, in terms of the dealing range, you can see it here. 50% comes back, mitigation, takes off. It's almost like nice retail patterns, break and retest. I can see that getting run at some point. Easily getting run, and I mean, it's this on NQ. It's a little bit cleaner. This pattern kind of happened on ES when I took that nice entry. I don't know who saw it. It was a couple of weeks. It might have been last week. Sorry. You know, have this big news-driven impulse that gets people involved in a sell scenario. Even here, like, gets people involved in a sell scenario. Even you get the 4-hour, almost like a 4-hour engulfing candle, enters the market, liquidates you out of it if your stop loss was there. Continues lower, but it's seeing a little bit of a range-bound market here. Mitigation potentially a bit lower. 2400 maybe could be pretty good for buys, but we'll see. We'll see. Slightly different. I'll just compare it to ES. You know, ES is powering through, putting in new higher highs. NQ putting that higher high so close to that 21k level, big sell-off. You know, that's really what it's going to aim for. It's that 21k, if we, you know, to maintain that bullish market. So the 4-hour clearly still bullish. Multiple break structure and only one B1 to the downside. 15-minute goes lower, fails to do so, goes lower, fails to do so, goes lower, fails to do so, and it's kind of just range bound at the minute. This 130 event kind of saw a large liquidation, but then when New York opened, that's when the big sellers came in. So this looks quite clean for some buys. If this 15-minute candle closes how it should, let's just have a look at the 1 minute here. Yeah, nothing. I mean, like in terms of 1 minute structure, we're playing this dealing range. This is all internal. It's kind of shifted bullish, but it's only from like an internal point of view. We're still maintaining this large dealing range. So in terms of an entry, 15-minute candle, if it closes like this, you know, closes above the high, then it's super clean. That's what we want, you know. We want liquidations following the higher time frame underlying market trend, following the intraday trend, looking for trade scenarios inside kill session. And Q is looking better than ES, to be fair. Like I said, guys, be sure to enter the giveaway on my Twitter. I mean, even looking at intraday, Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, they're all down. They're all down a couple of points. See if we get an entry on NQ here, it'd be good. The sell-off here on NQ. I mean, it's not a huge down move. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as that. If we just zoom out, you know, like looking there, yeah, it looks pretty good, but look at that. You know, it's a big sell-off. NQ reaches all-time highs, news-driven impulse higher, push, massive, massive sell-off, relief, liquidation, push higher, liquidation, push higher, liquidation. Looking for that all-round mitigation for then continuation of the underlying market trend. Yeah, so the 50-minute candle here, closed above. Let's see what's going on. See if we get that 1 minute confirmation. Like I said, a little bit of a higher risk. Probably only do one contract. Higher risk because we're still stuck in this sort of bearish range here. 1 minute price action, B1 break structure. There's nothing to signal other than this internal structure shifts here. So yeah, a little bit of higher risk, but I'm happy to take that. Stops probably just go below maybe like the 24.95, maybe even 24.85. Probably be safe. Let's just see what risk to reward. I mean, it'd probably be pretty good. No entry yet, anyway. It's not even a 1 to 2 there. Let's see. We'll roll with it. See if we get the 1 minute entry. We'll see. We shall see. 1 to 6. Yeah, 1 to 3 there. It's quite nice. It's not. Or is it? There we go. In there, 1 contract. Let's see. I'm probably going to go down here. To be fair, let's say 2,500. 2,500. Let's call it that. And we'll see. We'll ride it out. See if it's got any legs here. Like I said, in line, daily market, bullish, 4-hour bullish. We're seeing some nice 15-minute structure here, shifts, continual breaks of structure, only 1 B1 to the downside. So yeah, 1 minute entry candle confirmed, and then yeah, let's see what we got here. The overall target is going to be here. I'll move stop loss to break even here. And then this here being the overall target, 1 to 3. 2,800 level as well. Bang on. See how it goes. Anyone in NQ longs or S&P longs maybe? Some of you might be in the longs here. There, we've just had a nice break structure. 15-minute confirmed back bullish. So yeah, interesting. Like I said, I mean, even looking at Bloomberg here, most of the big techs are down. That's probably why we saw this sell-off on the open. Are they going to fade back up potentially? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Right, that's pretty much it for today. Just the one position on NQ. We'll see how it goes. Ride it out and see if he's got any legs to really push higher. We'll see. You'll be updated on my Twitter and on Instagram. So yeah, thanks guys. Any questions, do drop them in the comments below or message me on Instagram, and I will see you all later.